back in June of last year, these coding models had just started to become viable, right? We were working with Codex Mini and internally the early versions of GPT-5. We had just launched Codex CLI, and for historical happenstance and accident, I set about to try and build an agent utilizing these capabilities that was for non-coding knowledge work. The thesis was that all agents were coding agents, and we were going to prototype an internal agent that we were going to deploy at OpenAI. And in order to do that, we started from zero, empty codebase, and had Codex do the full software engineering job to produce this artifact. One interesting thing here from a product development perspective is that having this process of Codex can only do the job to produce something that was not an engineering native agent was super, super useful because it forced us into delivering value to actual end customers that were not the builders, which helped with prioritization and externalizing the learnings that we were due in this new product category to folks that could give feedback about the product rather feedback about the process of developing the product. But in doing so, we produced a repository with about 1 million lines of code. Funny story about producing agents. There's a lot of prompts embedded in agents. There's about 250,000 lines of markdown in this repository because when you're shipping an agent, what you're really shipping is a multi-agent system. You have agents running around all over the place in what was an Electron app for us. Things that garden the individual Git repositories that are used to bootstrap all the tasks that the agents are working on. Things for summarization, things for distilling skills, things for actually executing the work that we're doing on users' behalf.
Here's the dirty secret about prototyping. You spend 2 weeks building a prototype, you validate your assumptions. Engineering loves the direction. Then what happens? You throw the whole thing away. Bolt changes this completely. When you prototype in Bolt, you're not building throwaway mockup. You're building real front-end code that integrates with your existing design system. So when you hand it to engineering, they don't throw it away. They ship on top of what you've built. I use Bolt every single day. I host my land PM job cohort on it. And honestly, I'm up till 2 a.m. some days just vibing in the tool, having fun, and building. That's when you know a product is good. When you're using it past midnight, not because you need to, but because you want to. Check out Bolt at bolt.new, link in the show notes. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.